everybody, it's Jay Knows Credit back with another video. Your favorite guy in the hoodie. Want to tell you guys today about the Apple credit card. Everybody's been wanting to get one. They've been asking me questions about, Jay, how do I get the Apple card? Now, of course, you don't want to have any derogatories on your credit. That kind of goes without saying. If you do, doesn't mean that you'll be denied, though. It's not 100% denial based on having a negative on your credit. I'm going to tell you some things that's very, very important for you to do and for you to have a little bit of a trick, a little bit of a hack into getting an Apple credit card. So comment below if you're going to do this or if you do it. Go ahead and comment and let me know that it worked, if it didn't work, that kind of thing. But from my research, this is what I found out. Okay, first of all, if you don't know what the Apple Card is, you can actually go to apple.com and actually find the Apple Card link and go ahead and get it. Of course, you know that you don't have any card numbers, as you can see here on my card right now. Hopefully you can see that very clearly. There are no card numbers on this whatsoever. Okay, no card numbers at all. All right, it's also going to be inside of your iPhone, so you do have to have an iPhone. Now, I'm not 100% sure if you can use this with the iPad if you have an iPad only, not a phone number, but I know for a fact you have to have, an Apple product. Okay, but let's just say for argument's sake, because it hasn't been proven yet, that you have to have a phone. Apple iPhone. Okay, so you're going to have the power of the credit card, and if you don't know all this information already, you can actually find this on the website. I'm not going to be too redundant here, just to shorten up the video, but I did want to scroll through it a little bit just in case you have not seen it. This could be your first time seeing it. Of course, there's no fees, not even any hidden ones and stuff like that. Okay, so take the time, scroll through this page so you can understand what we're talking about here with this Apple card. Now, let's go ahead and get to how to get an Apple card. First thing you have to do is you have to be actively spending money at the Apple Store through iTunes, buying podcasts, downloading apps, actually ones that you're paying for. All right, they want to see activity. That's what's really going to get you the most money and to get you a better chance of being approved is how faithful are you to Apple? Are you just buying an Apple phone third party? Are you buying it from Apple or from an Apple authorized place? Okay, not just buying it off of Facebook Marketplace or Amazon or something like that, but actually buying it from an authorized place. So you need to spend at least $2,500 if you want to get the most money. This is not a cut and dry, like, okay, I want to get this the $1,000 card. No, if you want to get the most money, you would have had to spend over the whole time you've had Apple products $2,500. If you have not spent that much money, does not mean you're not going to get approved. I'm talking about getting you the highest amount possible with them. So what you can do is you can actually go to a store and you can do some manufacturer spending. Maybe you have a brand new credit card that has an introductory rate. You use that credit card, go to the Apple store, and you can actually, buy something with that card to ramp up your spending. Okay? And then, maybe just return that product back the next day and then just say, you don't want it after you've already applied for the credit card. Or wait a couple days before you return it, to do it that way. You can return it back on that credit card and just say, hey, now I got my Apple card. I'm all good. I'm all set. Okay, so that's just a way for you to do that if you want to get the Apple card at its highest amount. It's not a cut and dry thing, but it is a great way to get this card because you may be the person who's not faithful to Apple. You might just have your first iPhone. Maybe you just got the new iPhone 11. Or you could be an avid user of an iPhone, but you haven't bought one brand new. You've been using ones that just been used and things of that nature. So no matter what kind of person you are as far as using an iPhone and using Apple products, you have to spend money with them. You want to get the most money. Of course, people who have fantastic credit, 800 credit scores, a lot of them are going to be very, very easy. They're going to shift them through the Goldman Sachs approval process, and they're going to give them some money. but I know everybody watching doesn't have super fantabulous credit scores and credit history. So you definitely want to ramp up your spending with them. So you can test it out. There's no risk there because you can always just return a product on your card or something like that. But if you do take advantage right now, and you do want to keep a product right now, of course, Apple right now is having where you can buy one of their MacBooks, get some free Beat Studio 3 headphones and things like that. Little perks like that they already have going on that end very, very soon. So if you're watching this and you're watching this to date within like a week or so, that deal could still be in place. All right. So what you can do, go ahead, try it out. No risk to you whatsoever. You're not losing any money, maybe just a little bit of time, but it's definitely worth it if you want to get this Apple credit card, because maybe you were denied when you applied. And you already know if you are actually spending money with Apple or if you're not. Okay, but they're keeping track of that. The more you use your Apple card as far as your Apple wallet on your phone also counts as well. Okay, so if you have other credit cards and you've been using Apple Pay actively, you have a better chance of getting approved because they see you're already using that service. If you haven't used the service before, definitely try to find stores that have it and start just trying to use it for your other cards. All right. They want people to get off of just using just the regular credit cards out here. That's why they have it like this. So just wanted to keep that, put that in your ear. Try it out. Like I said, let me know in the comments if it has worked for you. I know it definitely works. They're looking at spending. So if you already spend a lot of money with them, they're willing to give you a credit card. But like I said, please don't have a crap load of negatives on your credit expecting to do this and get approved. All right. But it's J Knows Credit. Hope y'all have a great day. And if you need any help, assistance, I'll have links in the description if you need any help with anything else. And I'll see you on the next video. Jay signing out.